What's up YouTube, James here, and today officially marks the start of my brand new channel, Mr. Cheese Money. Now throughout my whole life, I have been a hardcore gamer and developed an early passion for YouTube. And when I combined the two, it worked out pretty well. Now some of you may be asking, James, where did this sudden interest come from? Oh, I'll tell you. Now believe it or not, COVID-19. That's right, a nationwide pandemic that shut down our economy got me into learning about it. The main way this all happened was I heard a lot of news about the stock market, and I've also been researching how to make more money so I can afford more games, better PC equipment, all that stuff. And with all the news on the stock market, I dove a bit deeper. Now the more I watched YouTube videos, read articles, the more I got interested in learning this and learning how to make money in the stock market. Now to sum it all up, all this research led me to start day trading. And yes, notice how I have a smile on my face, and yes, notice how I'm not gonna sell you a course right now. So pretty much day trading stocks is when you buy and sell a stock within a day for a profit or minor loss, and I got pretty decent at it. I'm not gonna go into specifics right now because I have plenty of videos to come in the future about the stock market and stocks and news and things like that. But as a reference as how things turned out, here's my E-Trade account. Yeah, that's pretty insane. Now, being that I got pretty good in the stock market and kept researching every single day, I really got into other areas of finance such as saving, investing, budgeting, and other methods of making money. All things that you can do as a team. And that, my friends, is why I made this YouTube channel. Not for money, not to get you to sign up with my course, nothing like that. I did this for the sole purpose of teaching you guys, especially those of you who are under the age of 18 or even 16 and can't work a regular job, how to make money. So yeah, if you are anything like me and are looking up on YouTube how to make money as a teen, and you're sick of hearing just run a lemonade stand, babysit, or mow lawns, and you want some good ways to make good money that are also consistent, then my friends, make sure to click this button down below and subscribe. So yeah, I hope you all did enjoy this short little intro to my channel, and I hope to see you all in future videos to come. I do plan to upload 2 to 3 times per week, if not more. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye.